Welcome to All4 Dairy. Before we get you trimming, let's set up support. First, head to your App Store and search for Knox Support Remote. Once installed, this allows us to assist you directly if you ever need help. After that, we use Knox Support so we can assist you remotely if you ever run into issues, whether it's troubleshooting or updates. Having it on your personal tablet ensures we can provide direct, secure support without hassle, so you're never stuck alone. Now that we've got support sorted, we'll head back to the App Store. This time, we'll download the Samsung Knox Management System, which comes preloaded with your All4 Dairy app. This means everything's ready in one go. Your hoof trimming tools and remote support will be installed quickly and seamlessly on your tablet. After Knox Manager is installed, you'll need to enter a secure username and password to unlock your personalized setup. I'll send those directly to you via text, so you'll have them on hand. Once you pop them in, the system will sync up your All4 Dairy environment, support tools, and everything you need will be live and ready to use. As the system syncs, you'll see a few banners appear. I've sped up this part to save you some time. Just read through them, confirm everything looks good, and let the system finish loading up onto your tablet. Next, you might be asked for another password or two. Just keep your phone handy and refer back to the WhatsApp message I sent you for all the correct details. That's it. All4 Dairy is installed on your tablet and ready to go. Now, you'll just need to enter a couple of codes so the system recognizes you. Grab your phone again and input the 2 codes I sent for trimming setup. You'll also see the option to choose between the US All4 Hooves version or the other All4 Feet version. Just select whichever one fits your location. Ask your support person if not sure. Now, you'll just select your license. Tick the box to confirm, and then let the All4 app kick into action. Once that's done, you're ready to go. On your tablet, you'll now have a personal space with your own apps and a workspace where the entire All4 system is stored. Inside All4, you'll find videos and direct links to your management site. Plus, you'll have video manuals with instructions, making it even easier to understand and navigate. Go ahead and start using it. Give it a try. Maybe begin by adding a couple of paper reports into the system, just to get the hang of things. And if you run into any issues, just give us a shout. Your support team is always here to help.